Hello, this is Crypto CJ. Welcome to today's trade of the day. Today I'm going back to the basics, the classic 1, 2, 3 dip and the iCoinPro Buddy Coin Crawler. Let's check out this morning's Buddy Coin Crawler. It was around 8:30 or 9 when I was working my way through the coin crawler, and the first thing I see is this one, Venus, XVS USDT. The difference between the average low over the 24 hours and the SMA line is 8.5%. I'm recording this video at around 5 p.m. on Monday, but this is similar to this. I was checking it out this morning. So with that in mind, I clicked the drop-down menu here to Trading View, but I've marked up a chart, so let's go ahead and look at that. Okay, so this is what I was seeing this morning. XVS had been in a squeeze and then starting to bubble out and dip. So I've got, let's mark those dips. Okay, so I've got one here, a second dip here. I'm waiting for a third dip, but I get 3 candles trending up. So a deviation of the strategy is the 1-2 dip with a MACD cross. And if you look down here, got a MACD cross right here. See the blue line is trending above the orange. Not sure if you can see that very well, but that's what I'm looking at. So I get in for 7.244 at 9:22 a.m. And the coin goes up one more candle and then drops again. So in retrospect, I should have waited for that third dip. I would have gotten a better entry point, probably around here, 6.9 or 7.0. Not a significant difference, but something to consider. I think it was Warren Buffett who said the markets are designed to transfer wealth from the impatient to the patient. And for this, I was slightly impatient. But then regarding an exit point, I go kind of conservative on this. Okay, I'll be checking out YFI shortly. I go at this group of candles right here where the dip had started, around 7.5, just below the SMA line. I've got another set of candles up here for a retrace. It's just below 8. And another group up here at about 8.1. In retrospect, I should have been more aggressive because the coin takes a big spike up. I ended up getting out here 7.549 at 9:51 a.m. for 4.105% profit. So I've got over a 4% profit in half an hour, which is a really good day trade. Though I'm slightly annoyed at myself for not being a little more aggressive, because I went with the first set of candles instead of the middle option or one of the later options. In this bull market, I've been holding out for a little more profit and using the second and third resistance levels instead of the very first one I see. So, but overall, still a pretty good day trade, 4%. Well, it's short and sweet and hard to beat today. That's all I have for the 1, 2, 3 dip. It's the easiest strategy, the basic, and the one I'd probably trade the most frequently. So it's always good to look out for that squeeze, bubble, 1, 2, 3 dip. So please stay tuned for some additional messages, and please check out the tools and resources in the comments below. I'll see you next time. Thanks. Bye.